Dutch baby pancakes are fluffy popover pancakes made with an easy batter that you can make in your blender and then cook it in a cast iron skillet. They are also called German pancakes, but this is actually an American recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to Boobly's World Cuisine. Let's get started with the foolproof recipe for making this amazing quick pancake recipe. To start with, I'm going to zest some lemon. So here I have one lemon and I'm going to take the zest. I hope you know that while zesting, you want to make sure that you don't take the white bits, just the yellow part. Now this is full of flavor and essential oil, which I'm going to mix with sugar. So I'm putting sugar here and now I'm going to mix these two ingredients so that all the lemon flavors, actually the biggest portion of the flavor is in the skin, gets mixed with my sugar, which I'm going to use later in the cooking. Now here I have lots of blueberries. Actually, I have more than I need, and I put them in the bowl, and now I'm quickly going to mix it with the flavors of lemon that I have just blended. For fruits, you can use anything you like. It doesn't have to be limited with blueberries, but I like the combination of blueberries and lemon. Now I'm going to take some juice from this lemon. All I need is 2 teaspoons. You can go for 3 teaspoons if you like, but I prefer it that way. So I'm just cutting it in half and making sure there are no seeds on my juice. Taking out my blender, and now everything will go in the blender, and it's such an easy batter. It's just perfect for making in the morning. You don't have to spend all the time in the kitchen. Your pancakes will be cooking in the oven and you can relax and sit back with your family. So eggs, lemon juice, vanilla, sugar, everything is in, a little bit of salt, and now I'm going to add some milk. I'm using whole milk here, but it must be in room temperature, and some plain flour. Now that everything is in, I'm going to pop the lid on, and now I'm going to blend it in high for just around 20 to 30 seconds so that it can really get air. My batter is all ready, and it's one of those batter that you can put it in the fridge and use it the next day. In a pan, I have added some butter, and butter is going to melt in few minutes. Then you want to add your flavored blueberries. So it's blueberry sugar and the lemon zest, which I'm going to cook just for a minute or so until they are just a little bit sauteed. Once you see the color is coming out, it's time to pour in your batter, which was sitting in the blender jug. You just pour everything in. Skillet is hot and I'm going to pop it in the oven, which is preheated to 425, and I'm gonna bake it for something around 15 minutes. If you're making it for breakfast, you can finish all your chores and it will be done in 15 minutes. And just look how beautiful it looks like. The fruits are all popping out. Now you can do it without the fruits inside, and that's the classic way of doing it. But I like to pop the fruits inside so that it's job done. Dusting some sugar on top, and then you can use your preference. You can put some yogurt or cream on top. I'm gonna enjoy it while it's warm. Thank you everyone for watching my video. A blog post will be posted on www.boobliesworldcuisine.com, and you'll find a printable version of the recipe there. Thank you and bye.